What's up, you guys? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel with no money in 2020. These are going to be beginners tips to help you start a YouTube channel and get you going in 2020. What's up, guys? My name's Alan and I've got a channel called Smart Video Tactics. And on this channel, I look to help you grow on YouTube, make some money along the way and have the best impact. So if you want to get any of these tips, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon because I'll post 3 times a week. That way you don't miss out on any of the good stuff and we can grow together. So today, like I said, I want to give you a few tips for beginners that are going to help you start a YouTube channel without any money. So the first tip that I can give you on how to start a YouTube channel without any money, guys, is to absolutely start with what you have. And what I mean by that is this: you can start with your mobile phone, guys. You can start with your normal PC or laptop if you have an inbuilt webcam, or you can buy a simple little webcam that you can attach to your computer or to your laptop, guys. I want to show you something. Check this out. This is unbelievable. I was researching to make this video and then I came across and I wanted to see my first video that I made on YouTube. And check this out. I want to show you something. Look at the quality, guys, of this video. Okay, you can automatically tell that it's not the greatest quality. Why? Because when I started on YouTube, guys, I didn't have obviously all the money to invest, and I didn't want to invest that much money into a new channel because I didn't know where it was going to go. So I started with what I had and I used just my laptop webcam. Look at this. Now let's get into it. Okay, guys, the first site that I wanted to speak to you guys about is Click. So as you can see, guys, there's absolutely no reason that you shouldn't start a YouTube channel without any money, because you can see the sound quality is terrible, the video quality is terrible, which is going to lead me on to my second tip. And that is, it doesn't matter about the quality of the content of the video, guys. It doesn't matter how good the video production is. It doesn't matter how good the sound quality is, because when it comes to YouTube, guys, YouTube is a search engine, okay? And the best part about this is people are looking for different ways to obviously search for things on YouTube. Then they don't care if they click on something and it doesn't have the best quality or the best production. What they're after is they're after answers to their questions, because YouTube is a search engine. So my second tip for you is just to get out there, get started. Make sure you tell a good story and don't worry too much about the quality when you're starting out. Focus on answering a question. Focus on the niche that you have. Focus on being a little bit different, and that's going to help you obviously grow your YouTube channel. And you don't need that much money to start off when it comes to obviously starting a YouTube channel in 2020. So don't worry too much about the quality. Just get out there, get started, start putting your content out there. And I promise you, in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, as you start to grow and you can see that your viewership is obviously increasing, you yourself will start to invest into your YouTube channel. The third tip that I'm going to give you of how to start a YouTube channel, guys, without any money is, if you absolutely do not have any money at all to start, if you've got no equipment, if you've got nothing, then find somebody that does. Hire it if you have to. Go out and speak to a friend, borrow their mobile phone. There are some videos that I literally filmed talking into my phone. I recorded it, I filmed it, I did whatever I had to do. You have to hustle, guys. Go find somebody that does. I'm sure you've got a friend that's got a phone out there that has a half decent camera. 99% of the phones out there do at the moment. Go to a shop and hire it, okay, guys? Do whatever it takes to get your content out there on YouTube, guys. It doesn't matter what you need to do, but whatever you do, if you have to hire it, go out and hire it. Do whatever you have to do. That is my third tip, obviously, guys, of how to start a YouTube channel with no money. No excuses, guys. Just get out there, get started, find a niche, do whatever it takes, okay, guys? Which is going to lead me onto my fourth tip. If you don't have anybody that you can borrow any equipment of, then what you need to do is you need to find a way to make some money so that you can start. And one of those ways that you can do that is you can quite simply come over and just search for different ways to make money on YouTube. And one of those ways is obviously you can come over onto my channel and you can have a look at the different ways that I teach people to make money online, okay, guys? There are a number of these different channels. You can go out and you can do different types of surveys. You can start very simple affiliate marketing. The easiest way is probably to do some surveys, go on some testing websites, check out my latest video. I know it's obviously plugging my channel now, but you can come over here, have a look at this, and you can earn up to $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 for 1 to 2 hours of your time. Make some money, guys, and get out there and start a YouTube channel. There is no excuses. You can find ways to do this, okay? So if you want to know how to start a YouTube channel with no money, then what you need to do is obviously come over here, find a way to make some money so that you can get a half decent phone, that you can get a webcam, maybe a laptop, whatever it takes. Find a way to make some money so that you can obviously apply everything else. Otherwise, find someone to borrow it off, guys. And remember, I'm just going to show you this very, very quickly again.
ClickSense is undoubtedly one of the most trusted PTC sites on the internet. There are a number of ways you can earn.
Cringeworthy, but you know what, guys, it doesn't matter. That was my first video. It was the 29th of August 2018. Now obviously it's a year and a half later, and my sound quality, video quality, just my overall demeanor of making videos has completely changed. And literally I started just like you. I didn't want to invest, and if you want to know how to start a YouTube channel without any money, these are the few tips that you need. You either borrow, hustle, do whatever it takes, go out there, make some money, use whatever you have in front of you. No excuses. Start your YouTube channel, guys. 2020 is a year. No excuses. Let's grow together, guys. As I said at one of my previous videos, I'm going to be looking to review channels coming into obviously this month. At the end of this month, what I'm looking to do is I want to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to put out a community post which I'll tell you whose video I will be promoting. The first channel that I will be reviewing in 2020. So let's get this channel out there to 1,000 subscribers. So just go down the bottom and just comment, let's grow together in 2020. Guys, that was my video for today. If you want to know how to start a YouTube channel without any money in 2020, make sure you follow those 4 tips, guys. No excuses. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm going to have a couple of videos that are going to pop up here for you to obviously watch so that you can grow on YouTube in 2020. Thank you again for watching another one of my videos. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. Until next time, you guys take care and